But behind the glass and code, there's a story yet untold, a heartbeat in the metal frame, a world we gave a brand new name. This is a footage of a modern technology, a spark of life inside machinery. We're chasing dreams made of binary beams, building futures from electric streams. Oh, we're coding our own destiny, a footage of tomorrow's legacy. Data flows like veins through steel,